we need to get. Thank you. Exchange something from Sephora. Today is gonna be one of those no BS, we need to get done type of days. We have so much to do. If we don't get it done today, then there's no turning back. Just don't mind my hair. This is typically how frizzy it looks. Don't put any heat tools on it or any other products, just letting it air dry. I'm wearing the white gold tin necklace. This was custom made by my aunt a couple years ago. So I have one in rose gold and then this one in white gold, but you know, gold, rose gold is more my vibe. I decided to give the white gold some love today, even though it doesn't really match because I'm wearing gold stuff. Even my sunglasses, we're throwing it back to the old school Juicy Couture sunglasses. These are vintage, by the way. I've just had them in my collection for a very long time, and this is probably one of the first times in years that I'm wearing it. Earlier I was showing you guys this side of the sunglasses, which doesn't have the logo. This side does, so it says Juicy Couture. We got the first part of our errands done. Some dollar bills and some money, because I don't think I told you guys, we are making a money lay for Abby, and Abby is Jonathan's cousin. Those are the supplies we're getting today, but we're actually gonna get some Starbucks. Don't get Starbucks very occasionally.
You got it. Can you warm that up for me, man? The loaf of crap? Cheese thing.
Watch this, watch this.
Yeah.
Can I please get a venti cold brew with 2 pumps raspberry, 2 pumps white chocolate mocha with salted comb foam mixed with strawberry puree?
That's a drink and a half there.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't pronounce it. I was like, that.
Nah, it's all good.
Thank you. Jonathan will not order that for me. Even if I send him a screenshot, he will not get it for me. Still, favorite drink from Starbucks. I should have gotten a tall, not a venti. It's packed full of calories, but every now and then is okay. Alright, you guys, we are at our next stop, which is Dollar Tree. We need to get some supplies for this money lay and do it quickly. We also have like our little list of items we need to pick up. This is not looking good because I do not see the very first item we need. Seems like they're out of it. No way. They are out of all the clear cellophane. That is exactly what I get for procrastinating. Leave it to me last minute. Okay, this is honestly a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like wham bam, let's just get everything. We ended up going to Michael's. Now we're here at Target because I just can't find these supplies. Plus, construction paper at Michael's was like 20 bucks for a whole package. I mean, how insane is that? It wasn't on sale. If there was like a 50% off coupon, yes, but come on now, 20 bucks for like 10 bucks, yeah, but 20, that's just a little bit outrageous. See, construction paper from Crayola on sale for $5.19 for this thick pack of construction paper. Not 20 bucks at Michael's Arts and Crafts. Anybody else use the Target app and then scan their stuff? Because you can sometimes save an additional percentage. Like this one, the high shoes, they're an additional 15% on candy and chocolates. Plus, you know, if you use your Target Red card, then you get an additional 5%. Plus, since it's the birthday month, I think 5% off your one-time purchase, which is pretty good. A little, it's like one of those moments where you're like, I wish I could take back what I said. So earlier, you guys remember I was ranting about this Crayola construction paper only being $5 something compared to the one at Michael's, which was about $19.99. Well, when I came home, realized that the construction paper is not pastel. Abby's favorite colors are a light green, a light blue, or like a green, but I think she also likes light green, a lilac color, which clearly this is just, it's a dark purple. So I ended up having to go back to Michael's and ended up getting these instead. The light green This one's light blue, but there's a brighter light blue. Maybe I'll mix them. And then we also have the lilac. These were $6.99 each. Buy one, get one 50% off. So it was like 11 something. If I just saw this earlier, we would have solved that problem. Some ribbon from Dollar Tree. Some other ribbon from Dollar Tree. Not a lot of this. Some ribbon. White cloth ribbon. High chews from Target. Gold straws from Target. Transparent packaging wrap. Actually celebrating Father's Day early because Jonathan's working Chinese food for dinner for Father's Day. Hot and sour soup, pork chop, mushu pork, fried rice, and we have some house special pan-fried noodles, orange chicken. So that's tonight's dinner. We're gonna get started because we have so much to do. We finished the money lays, the candy lay, although it did take a lot longer than I anticipated because in my mind I was thinking, oh, you know, we're gonna be finished with this 3.5 to 4 hours. No, it took a lot longer. Even last night I was telling Darren, yeah, I really want to finish the lays and then tomorrow I want to film before we leave. But that's not what happened this morning. It was pretty much finished up the other half of the lay, got some admin work done, and then after that it's just like my brain was so tired because I slept pretty late last night putting the lays together, but just wanted to share it with you. So these are the lays. I really hope Abby likes them. They each deserve their own moment, right? So we have the high chew candy lay in lavender and baby blue. Baby blue with $10. And then in between are the gold paper straws. This other one, which has $40. And then the lavender paper with some green. Then I added a little blue, light blue touch in the center to kind of tie everything in, you know? So it's all matches in a way. If you look at it closely, you could kind of tell that the tape isn't all even. You know, I really tried my best because this was really like a last minute thing. I already knew I wanted to make her some lays. Oh, by the way, if you guys are interested in making your own, I'm going to link the 2 YouTube videos I watched. Really simple, easy to follow. Have to give them credit because I basically followed their tutorials. Also, a little side note, this is probably one of the first times I can say this. I'm actually really glad that we didn't put on the fake nails because can you imagine making one of these lays with super long nails? It is difficult. They need to be done later on this evening when we get home. A really quick outfit of the day because we have to leave. Really casual. The area where we're going to gets pretty chilly at night. Just a pink bodysuit. Adidas. Are these Adidas? No. Yeah, these Adidas rose gold kicks, some flared dress pants, and just to kind of throw on top this little button-up jacket, mini Kate Spade backpack because last night I figured a way, or actually this morning figured a way how to attach the GoPro to this without having to put on a chest strap. You guys will see anyway, but this is today's outfit of the day. For accessories, I am wearing the bracelet that was gifted by Lizzie and Journey from their jewelry line, Ethereal Jewelry. Beautiful, and it is such a delicate piece. We're finally here. We're actually at Ventura Community College for Abby's graduation. Switch to the other mic because it is pretty windy over here. Thankfully it's not cold yet, but once the sun sets, for sure it's gonna be cold. Which one?
That one? No? No. Oh, it's not? Yeah, that was her.
Was that Abby? Abby, I'm sorry we missed you.
Yeah, it's her next.
Abigail Meili Ong. I'm proud to present the class of 2022.
My cap fell when I was up there.
That's okay.
One.
Thank you. Is this why you were asking my favorite colors?
Yes.
She was here all night putting that.
One more. Three. There you go. Nice to meet you. Congratulations, Abby. You look so beautiful. Not that she doesn't look beautiful on the daily. She does. She looks extra beautiful today. Got the corn cheese, rice paper, spicy pork bulgogi.
Are you sure though?
Wow.
Because I feel like I'm about
The rice paper is a must. Ooh, why is the tripod just going down? We were able to return and exchange some of the items, or not items, some of the supplies from Michael's Arts and Crafts, from Target. I think you guys are slowly going down. Just wanted to get in and out of the store really quickly, but we did also exchange something from Sephora. First start with Target. Did exchange the colored construction paper, a powder from number 7. Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder. 3 age defying results, reduces the appearance of fine lines, even skin tone, visibly smooths the skin. And I was watching my friend Angelica about something pretty here on YouTube. I was watching one of her TikToks and she was mentioning that this is supposed to be like a dupe of the, is it Charlotte Tilbury powder, which I have never tried. Wish they had translucent, but this one is in the shade medium. I think medium will be a good match because yesterday, unfortunately, when we came home, had my little backpack cracked open a bit, and the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder, which is my holy grail, fell onto the sidewalk and everything shattered into a million pieces. So we needed another setting powder from Sephora. Exchanging some items, not the Marc Jacobs fragrances from the previous vlog. We have those and they are on display in our little fragrance area. The Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Gummy Bear. My friend Lizzie really likes the gummy bear flavor and I've never smelled it or tried it. Ooh, this does smell good. I love how it has a squeeze tube. Did redeem some of the points for the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakura Baby Facial Resurface Reveal. Really wanted to try out this Ellis Brooklyn Sunfruit, and I did smell a whole bunch of their fragrances. I was really debating between Sweet and this one, Sunfruit. The Sweet fragrance, that's the name of the perfume, it's Sweet. It's really my vibe, but I felt like that one was very similar to a lot of the fragrances that I own currently. Bright yellow tube, and the scent is beachy, coconut, like freshness, citrus, mild. picked up the spray because the full size I believe is like 90 or it's almost $100. We want to rotate our fragrances. Have you guys tried any fragrances from Dossier? Because I always hear people rave about them because basically they have their version of higher end fragrances for a fraction of the price of the cost. I was gonna say for the price. And looking at their website, but I just haven't hit purchase because I'm just not really too sure about it. We'd really appreciate your feedback if you guys have purchased anything from them or if you guys have heard anything. Do you guys have any recommendations? But you guys, thank you so much as always for hanging out. If you guys enjoyed hanging out, enjoyed this vlog, would really appreciate it if you could please give this video a like. Have an amazing, wonderful week, and I will see you in the next vlog.